Hi friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you two wreaths that I made. One of them is for my kitchen and the other one is for my front door. This first one that I'm making is a peppermint theme wreath. I'm going to put this one outside on my front door, and the other one is just a gingerbread theme. They're both gingerbread, but this one is more of a peppermint one. I started by fluffing up my wreath. This wreath is from Walmart. I purchased it a couple of years ago, but Walmart did bring them back. I believe they're $10. And this little truck is just from the at-home store. I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to place it. I'm just trying to figure that out right here. The second wreath that I made is going to be here in my kitchen. You guys will see that one a little bit more on my Saturday video when you guys see how I decorated my kitchen. I'm so excited for you guys to see. I think everything looks adorable. I hope you guys enjoy this video and come back for the Saturday video as well. I was going to make a bow to add to this wreath right here, so I went over to Hobby Lobby and picked up some ribbon, but I had already previously purchased these curly bows right here, so I decided to use those instead of this ribbon right here. I just think the curly bows look so beautiful. Look how nice they look. Those dark red ones are from last year. I think I got them for 90% off, and these red and white ones are from this year. So now that I have everything in place, I'm going to be using zip ties to secure the items down, especially this little truck because it's a little heavy for the wreath. So I'm going to be using 2 zip ties because the ones I have are not long enough. But I think the little truck looks so nice. I like how it looks on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I just love the whole peppermint theme. I think it looks really beautiful. To secure the curly bows, I'm just going to be using this jute twine. I'm going to be separating the bows like towards the middle. So like that, it can be a little bit more secure because they're just holding on with a staple. So I'm just going to tie them together, just laying them flat on here. And then I'm going to secure them on the wreath with a zip tie. For this wreath, I'm going to be making a bow. I measured my tails at 12 inches and the loops at 10 for this ribbon. The bow that's already on the green wreath, that one, I also measured the tails at 12, but that one has 11-inch loops. And I'm also going to be making one more with white ribbon. That one is also going to be at 12 inches for the tails and 12 inches for the loops. I'm going to be using zip ties to secure the bows down. I first started making this bow originally and I only found my black zip ties, but during the video I was searching for something in my room and I found some clear white ones. So you guys will see sometime during the video that I switched them out, but if I would have had the clear ones at first, I would have used those because those are a little bit nicer. You can't really tell that those are so bright on the bows, like to hold down the gingerbread. I was having a hard time with this ribbon. I think it's because the wire in it is just a lot stronger, but at the end it worked out. I think it looks really nice. I love all of the 3 colors in the wreath. And you guys, I'm not the best at making bows, but I think it came out beautiful. I love how it looks. So that's going to be all for making these two wreaths. I think they came out beautiful. You can really make any kind of wreath, you guys, or if you guys have these same gingerbread items, you can make the wreath as well. I think they both look beautiful. I love how they look. I think they look better than any one I would have purchased at the store. I used items that I really liked. I will see you guys on Saturday when I decorate my kitchen. I hope you guys come back to watch that. I'm really excited for you guys to see how beautiful my kitchen came out with all of my gingerbread decor. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties.